Hi, this video is a review of the WP Amplify Local Prominence WordPress plugin. That is a pretty inexpensive, $24 per year plugin for WordPress sites that helps with your rankings of your Google Maps. Now, there's not any single plugin or tool or technique by itself that is going to rank your maps listing by itself. There's other things you need. So I don't want to say that this plugin will do that, and I don't want to set that idea that that's what it needs to do, or else it's not good. I'm going to show you how it works, and it's really quick and easy to use, and I do think it actually does help. So after you install it, you'll have this stuff, and you'll put in your Google Places API key. It shows you how to do that. I deleted mine so that nobody uses my key, and it gives you some suggestions on how to on some ways to use it, and the training video is pretty useful. But I'm just going to show you how I use it. Let's see. So here's the result. So I did one for Plano, Texas, and it pulled all of this with just one line of code, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to do it again right now. So I have it set up. And I'll put this in the description so you can copy and paste it, because this is how I would use it. It's a little bit different than what they show in there. I think they have this listed somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where. But basically the idea is that I'm putting this type of code in, and it will pull points of interest. I believe this is meters, so within 3,000 meters of Dallas. Actually, what's interesting is you could create like a niche directory with something like this. This would be an interesting way to do that. And there's other different types of companies, there's a lot of different ways in which you could actually use this plugin, because you could pull other businesses. But let's just do this one. I believe, and I don't know if this is completely correct, you have to do preview first, and when you give it a second, because what it's going to do is it's actually going to pull all this information right now. It doesn't take that long. It takes maybe 20-30 seconds. I'm going to pause the video until it's done. Okay, there we go. It has pulled a ton of different businesses, their reviews. Alexa, stop timer. Alexa, shoot the rest of the video for me. And I just keep scrolling down, and what this is doing is it's adding relevance to my Google My Business page to all of these businesses that it's pulling here, which does help. Again, this isn't going to take you from nowhere to ranking really well all of a sudden, but it can actually help. And so let's just publish it. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my site. No reason not to. And it still shows this, although it should at some point switch to the code. Let's double click to make sure let's click on the page to make sure it's working properly, because at some point it should change to the actual code. So if we go to this one, if I edit page, it'll have it should have a bunch of code in there, right? It actually put in all this code for me. It seems like it doesn't always do it right away, but this way it is working. Maybe I need to click on. Oh, there's some way to do that. Well, I don't remember, but it does work. And look at this. I've got all of this on here, and with just a little bit of interlinking, this can add some relevance. So yeah. I think this is a pretty cool plugin, and for the price, I think it's a good deal. I'll put a link to it below if you want to get it. Again, I don't think it's going to rank you all by itself, but I do recommend it. I do know one of the people that made the plugin. Very very nice guy, Jeremy, who really does try to create something valuable, and I think this is a pretty cool tool. So go ahead and grab yourself one and try it out, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Have a great day. Bye.